In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email signature in Outlook 365. It's a quick process, taking only about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of Outlook 365. Now let's navigate to the Mail section. On the left hand side, look for the Mail icon and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your inbox where all your emails are located. Once you're there, the next step is to access the settings. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon representing Settings. Clicking on this will open up a small drop down menu, and from here you'll want to select View All Outlook Settings at the very bottom. Once you are in the Settings menu, you'll see multiple tabs to choose from, but let's focus on Mail, which should be the first option. Click on it to expand and reveal more options. You're doing great so far, so just stay with me. Next, find the tab labelled Compose and Reply. This is where you can manage your email settings, including your signature. Clicking on it will bring you to a new screen specifically designed for creating and editing email signatures. Here you get to either modify your existing signature or create a new one altogether. You'll see a nice big text box where you can type in your new signature details. Feel free to include your name, title, company information, or even a small quote or message that you like. You can also use the formatting tools at the top of the text box to adjust the font style, size and colour to suit your preference. It's always a good idea to take a moment and make sure you've included all the necessary details and that everything looks just right. Afterwards, scroll down a bit further to check the settings for when your signature should be automatically included. You have options to append it to new emails, replies or forwards depending on how you prefer to set it up. With everything in place, the final step is to hit that save button before you exit. It's a little thing, but it ensures all your hard work isn't lost. Now your new signature is all set and ready to go. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your email signature in Outlook 365. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy guides.